guys, alright, so in this video I'm going to explain about give you actually an example of solving function problem which involves relation. So let's look at this example. We have here objects in elements in domain A, which are A, B and C, mapped to the elements in codomain B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So A is mapped to 1, B is mapped to 4, C is mapped to 2. So the first question says represent the relation of A and B in ordered pairs. Now, how do we write ordered pairs? First, we need to start with curly bracket. Okay. So curly bracket, A is mapped to 1. So we put bracket A1. Next, we have B mapped to 4. So we write B4. Then we have C mapped to 2. So we write C2, then we close. So we have represented this relation in ordered pairs. Okay, next. State the object of 4. So as you can see, these are called images. All the elements here are known as objects. So what is the object of 4? 4 is mapped by B. So the object of 4 is B. Next, determine the range of relation. So range means we have to see the images, but only the images that are mapped to. So as we can see, 1, yes, it's mapped by A. 2, yes, mapped by C. 4, yes. 3 is not mapped, so we don't have to include 3 here. So we write range, we have to write using curly bracket. So 1, 2 and 4. Determine the type of relation. So as we can see here, this is 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So this is a 1 to 1 relation. So this is how we answer these kind of questions. Alright, so let me show you another set of example. Okay, so another example. So as you can see here, this graph that is drawn shows the relation between set x and set y. So the first question, what is the image of 1? Okay, we can see here there are two ones, right? One is here, set x, another one is set y. But which is the object, which is the image? So of course, x will be the objects, which are mapped to set y, and set y are the images. Okay, so what is the image of 1? So 1 here is mapped to 2. So the image of 1 is 2. Okay, so represent the relation in an arrow diagram. Okay, arrow means it's like this. Okay, so we need to draw an arrow diagram like this. So first we draw our domain. Then we have our codomain. So domain is x, codomain is y. So the object starts from, we have 0, right? So we start with 0. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let me just put all the dots beside. Okay, then here for the codomain, we have all the images from set y. So we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So drawing the dots. Now we're going to draw our arrows. Okay, first arrow, 0. Is 0 mapped? Yes, 0 is mapped to 1. So we draw 0 to 1. Alright, next we have 1. 1 is mapped to 2. So 1 is mapped to 2. Next we have 2. 2 is mapped to 3. So 2 is mapped to 3. Then we have 3. 3 is mapped to 4. So 3 is mapped to 4. Then we have 4. 4 is mapped to 4 also. So 4 is mapped to 4 also. Then we have 5. 5 is mapped to 4 also. Okay, so this will be our arrow diagram. So by following the domain and codomain, we draw the arrow. So more examples coming up. Click on the link below for more examples on the topic function. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, press like, and also share this with a friend whom you think they may benefit from this.